This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Subaru Outback, stock number 6824. It's run from the 8th 2014 to the 7th 2018. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 5 dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight minor sun cracks. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.